Hello friends, I just want to clear you that I am not a professional. I am a student. So the part of or the topic of today is after investing in higher education, we are unable to get jobs. Those candidate who got job in their selection process in campus, that is the best part. But what for those who don't get their dream job or even a first stage job after completing their higher education? So this video is for that, friends. So what we do after completion of our higher education? We just search our job. We have lot of job career sites where we post our resume, CV to get job. So the problems comes here is that we post our resume in several platforms like LinkedIn, Naukri.com, Sign, and many more. Or even we drop our resume in physical way by reaching the company here and there. Or third part is we just try to get reference from our family member. But I have noticed that in several cases only 2 or 3% get favorable condition or result. So but what for 95% other? In that period we just go on any job sites and finding our job requirement and posting our resume here and there and just click on the way apply and apply. But the result, I think, work for 1 or 2%, but generally it's nil. Why this is happening? And this discussion is only based on this. So why our resume doesn't reach to HR of the company? It is little bit confusing, but yes, today everybody has limited time and everybody want to utilize in their manner. So the higher companies, and even I think 90% of companies use ATS. So this may be aware of for someone, but we should know the importance of ATS in this period. So what is ATS? ATS is a applicant tracking system. मीन्स ये एप्लीकेंट को ट्रैक करता है और ATS हेल्प रिक्रूटर इन देयर सेविंग टाइम. So there is a job vacancy for XY. My just assume for Java. There are 10 posts and applicant is 1000. Then the recruiter have not much time to just get 1000 application and search better fit for them. So they use ATS software. Means they put our resume in a software, just assume a machine. The machine work is to just rectify and find the best candidate for their job description. So after putting the resume in that, the recruiter get their 50 or 60 desired resume. The only recruiter watch those, but what for that 950 student, just I am assuming out of 1000. So to just handle this situation means that our resume goes at least to the HR. So we should use or utilize the ATS. I will give you the way how can you judge your resume based on their job description. Every resume have their enough capability, but it is important to get result. So there are some software, even higher companies and MNC has their own ATS software, but some of the companies use their third party ATS software. I will give you some of the name. Just I am first prefer for the job scan. Job scan, just we can Google and get the result. I will show you a demo how it works after the video. So job scan, then Bamboo HR, then job score and smart recruiter and many more you can get. So I will give you the description and give a working of this आफ्टर दिस वीडियो. सो अब आ जाते हैं अपने हिंदी में औकात पे कि प्रॉब्लम होती है कि आप हायर एजुकेशन तो गेन कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद जॉब की बहुत किल्लत है इंडिया में. सच्चाई है, इसमें कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता है. तो क्या करते हैं कि हम लोग को जब जॉब नहीं मिलती है तो हम बहुत सारे कैरियर पोर्टल पे जाते हैं और अपना रिज्यूमे ड्रॉप करना शुरू कर देते हैं. जस्ट कि कोई फ्रेशर है या फिर जो भी है तो वो जॉब के लिए जाता है अपने रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से. वहाँ हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग और जस्ट क्लिकिंग एंड अप्लाई पे दे अप्लाई फॉर एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 one time, but the result is nil. So to amplify this we should just know the ATS. ATS क्या है, हिंदी में हम ले लेते हैं. एक मशीन है जिसमें थाउजेंड ऑफ एप्लीकेंट को डाल दिया जाता है और ATS का काम है कि उसमें से वो जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन के अनुसार बेस्ट कैंडिडेट को सेलेक्ट करके HR तक पहुंचा दे. मतलब अगर 1000 हम डालते हैं तो उसमें से 50 पहुंचती है, 950 छांट दी जाती है जो कि हमारा कैपेबल है अभी, तो वो HR तक नहीं पहुंच पाती है क्योंकि वो पहले ही एलिमिनेट कर दिया जाता है. तो इसको टैकल करने का एक ही हिसाब है कि हम इसको अपना स्कोर, रेज्यूमे स्कोर जान लें. तो बेस्ट स्कोर क्या हो सकता है रेज्यूमे के लिए, वो डिपेंड करता है नंबर ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट्स. सो इट शुड बी मोर देन 65. आई थिंक it may be more than 95 also. If there is one vacancy and thousands of students are there, then they generally prefer, they should generally prefer the best candidate for that job. So we should just amplify this rule. So how will judge? There is a software, so I will just show you on this on job scan. So just watch. If it is if it is some value, if this video has some values, just like and subscribe. Is Ulang Gyan Tech. So just assume me as a friend. My English is tuta futa, so just like and subscribe and share with your friends. I think this will help a little bit in your growth or finding job. After this video I will try to give you the best way to search job. So if I get satisfactory result on this video, I will definitely make a video on that topic. Thank you friends. So just watch how is work. Thank you. I will give you the demo on my own resume. Just watch. I am going to my Google and searching job scan. We get this type of page. I am converting into desktop site. So first option is upload your resume. I am uploading my resume. We can see the analyzing is done. After that it is asking for job description. This is my Naukri profile. Just I am randomly selecting a job to show you where the description is written or shown. This is the job description. We have to just paste it in that. I have just taken a screenshot where I will just scan or copy by Google Lens it easier and helpful way. We doesn't need to write and type each word. Just I am scanning and just copying. Copy paste. I just have to go to that open page. I am pasting my job description and want to see my job score. Waiting for result. It's only 50%. Then how can we just imagine that in this competition world someone gave me job? So it should be more than 65%. Even this depend on job. Even sometimes if their vacancies are a lot, they may. So this is educational purpose video.